everyone, I'm Kat, your librarian here in Morristown. Today I'm going to read Where is My Balloon? By Ariel Bernstein, illustrated by Scott Magoon. This is with permission from Simon Schuster. I have a balloon. I have a sock. Please hold my balloon. I'll be right back. I have a sock and I have a balloon. This makes me so happy. I can put my sock over the balloon. I can tie my sock to the balloon string. I can hit the balloon with my sock like it's a baseball. Whoomp. Pop! Uh-oh. Oh no. Hello, monkey. I am back. May I please have my balloon? Your balloon? Yes, my balloon. A balloon? Please hold my sock while I check. Here is your balloon. Monkey, this is not my balloon. I'm pretty sure it's a balloon. This is not a balloon. This is a pillow, an orange pillow. My balloon is red. I'll be right back. Here is your red balloon. You're right, Tristan. This is not my balloon. This is a red chair. My balloon is big and red. Oh, I can't believe it. I'll be right back. Here is your big red balloon. This is big and red, but this is not my balloon. This is a fire truck. This is a fire truck? Are you sure? This is a fire truck. This is really, truly a fire truck. My balloon is big and red and flies in the air. Well, I'll be right back. Beep, 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 beep. Here is your big red balloon that flies in the air. This is big, red, and flies in the air, but this is a parachute. Monkey, where is my balloon? Oh, I can't take it anymore, Owl. I was playing with your balloon and it was so much fun. It was big and red and shiny and round and had a string and flew in the air, but then it popped and I'm so sorry. Poor monkey, poor owl. This is my balloon. That is your balloon. Oh no. Rip, 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 tear, 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 rip, rip. Oh no, what did Owl do? I am sad to lose my balloon, monkey, but I forgive you. Oh, I think Owl realizes what he did. Thank you, Owl. We can play together with my sock. Your sock? Yes, my sock with a star and a perfectly shaped hole. Uh-oh, I think Owl ripped that up when he got sad. I know. I will be right back. What's Owl doing? This is your sock. Well, it's got a star and a perfectly shaped hole, but I don't think that's a sock. It's all the things. I guess that's a reminder that we have to be careful with our friends' stuff. So today we want to make our own balloon friend. So we're going to make our own balloon friend. First thing we need is a balloon. So we're going to get it ready to go. And we have to blow it up. And instead of me blowing it up, we've got a balloon pump. So we have a balloon. We're going to make a friend with it. So we have to tie it off. And in case you didn't know how to tie a balloon, just watch this. So wrap it around your finger and then push it up through the spot between your fingers, just like this. And then pull your fingers out, and there you go. You've got your balloon. So now that we have our balloon, we need a little bit of string, or ribbon in my case. to tie on it. So I'm going to tie it right around here. And this is going to be just our way to keep our balloon with us. Keep it with us. It's kind of like a leash. So now what we need is a marker. And you can do this with you can do this with crepe paper and other things too, which I might have some of that. But we want to give our balloon some eyes. So we have a friend. One eye. Two eyes. Kind of looks a little bit like a pig. So let's see. Do I have tape? I do. So we are going to use a little bit of crepe paper. And we are going to give our balloon some ears. Yeah, some ears. So we're just going to cut our crepe paper into some ear shapes for it. Just like that. Kind of look like little teardrops. Then we'll take our tape. And we will tape it to it. Just like this. So he's got little ears. One ear on one side. Yeah, Tristan, we're making ears for this balloon friend. So I'm going to cut out the other ear and tape it on. So let's see. I'll put it right there. So he's got ears on both sides. So our balloon friend can be led around. And why don't we give him a tail too? I'm making a balloon friend, Grayson. Whoa!
How are you doing that?
I'm doing it with a balloon and ribbon and crepe paper.
Ooh.
And tape. So, tape his tail to him. Just like that. So now, if we want to, we can drag him around. And he can walk with us. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Sound good?
If he gets on the sharp thing,
He might pop, but we hope not. Kind of looks like a mouse. Would you like him? Here you go. Enjoy. We'll show you Grayson and Tristan with the balloon friend. Have fun with it, kiddos. You guys have fun too.